What's up, everybody? Every single body, all 2,900 or 700 or almost 300 fans. I have a big up each and every one of you for supporting the page for like what 2 years now or whatever that me kind of this thing here. Yeah. Much respect. Big up yourself, Carla Moore. Me say, yeah, you just comment a while ago. I'm a fan of y'all. You know, me love you to death. Me love you. Me have one. You know them Lisa Anna Yendi Phillips crush there. I want them crush them have fun you. Like big crush. Me see it right now, me just feel. That's it. Me see it right now, see Carla Moore, high heart saving my virginity for you. I them levels of the love reach fam. Yeah, simple no talking. Yeah. But me have to say big up to all of the almost 3,000 people that actually check out this page on a daily basis. You know how much that means to me? Because the people actually are coming. Because I start this page, I had no idea. I start the tagline for the Dirty Berry show as started as a joke, and one day might end up being my career. And year after year, I started to believe that, you know, so this little crosses show you what I have, it might just be that thing that actually makes me survive. That, you know, this is how I might just end up making my living. So let's just see what happens, and I want to take y'all fans on this journey to success with me as you strive and to build your own empire and your own success. So I don't call my fans, you know, future celebrities, future stars. I'm not calling like regular people, not future stars. You get me? Everybody's a star in their own right, no? Yeah. So what next now? You have people that are on Twitter. So I might need to give you all of that stuff. So if you are on Twitter, just hit me up, follow me at Dirty Berry, or you can just go on the show page, the particular show page at Dirty Berry Show, which is on Twitter. Or you can just go up on YouTube, type in the Dirty Berry Show, and you book up all of my videos. Then you can just check them out from way back away from idea I need. And all them. I gotta hold this. Right. Yeah. So you can just check out all them something there. I'm not gonna do. I'm not necessary right now. Yeah. That is yeah. Yeah, that is just it. So never say, you know, for all of you that want to support the page, I mean love on you. Love on you. You get me? All of those that I can't really that so when you get a face punch. Yeah. Bloom face punch. Yeah. So I can't wait for each 3,000 fans. So if you have people out there, just share the page, make them like it. You know, so we can have a big grand celebration when I finally reach 3,000 fans. You get me? So take care everybody. Much love, much respect. You get me? Stay safe. What else? What else are the regular stereotype things that people normally say? Yeah, that's it. So peace out everybody. Love and mwah.